Okay, we're using the Cricut Cake, and the computer, the cake is hooked up to Cricut Craft Room. This is a medium weight cardstock. Okay, so we load it in. Set our depth to 6. And our pressure to high. And the speed to high. Because we want to go fast. Okay, then over at the computer, I have a template I've made. It has 2 layers, score and cut. So first we are going to cut just one layer, and it is the cut layer. Okay, now we're going to press load paper. And then turn the dial to 1. We're going to turn the depth to 1, and then the pressure to medium, and we'll leave the speed at high. Back to the computer. Now we're going to select the score layer and then cut. Okay, now I'm going to unload. Might be time for a new blade. It's a little rough. Okay. And a new mat. At least it's not sticking on there and ripping my paper up, like sometimes they do. Now, I haven't made one of these yet, so I'm not exactly sure if this is going to work, but I think it will. I've seen these on the internet. I've seen a design like this, but I couldn't find any instructions. So I thought this tutorial would be helpful, because I don't need that yet. Okay, so there's 2 small, you probably can't see the score lines, there's 2 small triangles and then 2 larger ones. So we're going to fold the small ones up and in, and then fold on that line. It kind of looks like that folded. I'll fold them all first. And I used Cricut Craft Room Basics, so that anybody that uses Cricut Craft Room can use this template, because you don't have to have a specific cartridge for it. And if this turns out, I'm not going to decorate it. I'm just showing you the basic of how to make one, but feel free to do a video response and show me how you use this. Okay, so on their 2 big sides, I'm going to put glue on one side. And then take another big side and match it up. So it's only gluing to the big side. Okay, and then we're going to do another one. Put glue only on one of the big sides. Okay, so we're going to put the glue side on a matching big side here. Oops. Make sure it's lined up or it won't work properly. And this one I'm just doing really quick too, since I'm not really sure if I've got it right. Pretty sure, but not quite sure. Okay, now I'm going to put glue on one big side here. And then if you have another way to do this, then feel free to do a video response and show us another way that maybe it's easier, better, or correct. I'm not really sure if this is the correct way. Line that up. mean, I'm not gonna put glue on this side, so it's not gonna be closed like a ball. It folds up like this. You could put a paper punch in it. I was going to, but I don't think I want to. It's got different layers in there. So you would put little words, decorations, or pictures inside here. This would be your front and back. So you would decorate this and then open it up, and then the person you give it to can have it displayed like this. You could decorate all the insides of it and the outside. I need a different kind of glue, but wasn't really sure what I was going to do here. So I have an 18-inch ribbon here. And I'll just put a little glue here, right in the center. And this one is messy, so you wouldn't want to do it messy like this. Okay, then you could take like different scraps and designs. And I have one that's cut about the same. See, it's just a scrap. And it's a little bit smaller. I'm going to put it on the front here. Then I would put one on the back also. Then you could take and put like a, this is from Create a Critter. It's not part of the template, but you could put a little design there or a sentiment. And then you could just tie it closed. Okay, so got it tied closed, so you're ready to give it. It would be decorated on this side and this side, and then that would be glued. So it would be decorated on this side and this side. Then they could just open it up. And then inside you'd have it decorated, which I don't. Then your recipient can put it up somewhere. They could tie this together. You know, they wouldn't get to see that side then, but there we go. So I'd love to see what you can make of this.